Hi, my name is Alexis from Caltrans Materials Engineering and Testing Services, and today I will be talking about the different user accounts and roles within Dime and give you some examples of user roles for each account. If you are not already familiar with Dime and how to request an organization account, I recommend watching our YouTube tutorial video titled Dime Organization Account and User Roles before learning about the different user accounts and roles. Please note that a user account is not needed to view sample records or published/verified test results. Please look at the hierarchy chart of user accounts and roles. The first step in the process to input data into Dime is to have an organization account. There are three different defined roles under an organization account, which are Organizational Manager, Data Administrator, and Data Editor. Within your organization, the Organizational Manager can add users to your Dime organization account and set their site roles, which determines each user's level of access. Each role is given different rights, with an Organizational Manager having the most and Data Editor having the least amount of rights. Let's begin with the user permissions for the Data Editor. The Data Editor has access to view, edit, and create sample records. They can also view, edit, and submit test results. However, a data editor cannot delete sample or test records. In addition, a data editor can update their account information. The data administrator has all the access rights of the data editor role, in addition to having rights to delete, hand over, and share sample information. They can also delete, supersede, and verify test records. However, they do not have user administrative rights. The Organizational Manager occupies the highest level of permissions on the Dime application. The first Organizational Manager is the contact person indicated on the organization account request form when the organization account is approved. In addition to all the access rights of the Data Administrator role, an Organizational Manager can add or deactivate users, assign roles, and update information for a member of their organization. There can be more than one person assigned as an Organizational Manager for an organization. Now, I will show you some examples of the different menu options and screens for the user roles of the Data Editor, Data Administrator, and Organizational Manager. Let's begin with the user roles of the Data Editor. Navigate to the Dime dashboard on the top left corner. Here you will see a dashboard of features available to the Data Editor. The New Sample tab or New Sample link and Quick Links brings you to the same page to create a new sample. It will ask you for basic information about sample identification, such as project identifier, material type, sample taken date, and more. After your sample record is successfully created and saved, a unique sample ID for that sample will be displayed. If you want to view and/or edit that existing sample and any corresponding test records, you can do so by searching for an individual record under Search and then Samples and Test Results. Or you can click on the Search for Tests and Samples link in Quick Links, which brings you to the same page. The Data Administrator can also create a new sample, but in addition can delete, share, hand over sample information, verify or publish tests using the Verify Test tab. On this page, you can view all the unpublished tests associated with your organization account. Lastly, we have the Organizational Manager. In addition to all the functionality of the Data Administrator, the Organizational Manager can add or deactivate users, assign roles, and update information for a member of their organization. To do this, select Manager and then User Accounts from the panel menu. You will be directed to the Manage User Accounts page, where you can administrate user accounts. You will see all the user accounts associated to your organization, where you can view, edit, or deactivate any user within your organization account. Please note that a user can belong to more than one Dime organization. Let's say, for example, that you collect samples or perform testing for more than one lab within your district. In this case, you would need multiple Dime organization accounts. You may see which Dime organization you are signed into under My Dime account. It will list your user role followed by the name of your organization. You can also navigate to the upper right tab with your name to see the same information. If you do gain access to more than one Dime organization and you want to switch from one organization to another, select Change Organization. Then select the organization you would like to change to and select Continue. We are now signed into the organization that we selected. Thank you for watching. You are now familiar with the Dime user accounts and roles. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to a Dime administrator and we will do our best to assist you. Thanks.